In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio in BandLab. A fade is a simple way to make your audio start or end smoothly, avoiding abrupt cuts. We'll walk through logging in, opening your project, and adjusting the fade handles so your track eases in exactly the way you want. First, head to bandlab.com in your browser. On the homepage, click Log In. You'll see several sign-in options. Choose the Google option, then select your Google account when prompted, and click Continue to authorize. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your feed. Next, go to your library. This is where your projects live. Open the project you want to edit by clicking on it. On the project page, select Studio to open the full editing workspace. Give it a couple of seconds to load. You'll see your tracks laid out horizontally on the timeline. Click on the track, or more precisely the clip or region where you want to add the fade. Selecting the region ensures the editing tools you need are available. Now open the editor. This reveals detailed controls for the selected region. Here's the key part. Look for the small handles at the upper corners of the audio region. These are your fade controls. To create a fade in, hover over the top left corner until you see the fade handle. Click and drag it to the right. The farther you drag, the longer the fade in. You'll notice a diagonal line appear over the region showing the fade shape. If you also need a fade out, use the top right corner handle and drag left. Even if you're only focusing on a fade in today, it helps to know both corners are available. Listen back as you adjust. A short fade of a few milliseconds can remove clicks, while a longer fade of a bar or two can create a smooth musical entrance. If your project uses the grid, try aligning the end of your fade with a beat or bar line for a cleaner, more natural transition. If you make a change you don't like, use undo to step back. That's it. You went to BandLab, logged in, opened your project in Studio, selected the track, opened the editor, and used the region's top corner handles to set a precise fade in. BandLab typically saves changes automatically, so you can move on to the next edit with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting smoother intros in your mixes.